13 weather.
Rain has been a little sparse at times today, especially from Birmingham southward, just enough to wet the pavement from Hoover down toward Calera and Clanton. Got a couple of thunderstorms down close to Selma, but rain is a bit more widespread through Marion County and Winston County. And some of the heavier, more persistent rain is starting to shift a little northeast of Hamilton, but we still have some decent rain falling around Barnesville and down toward the Fulton Bridge Road area south of Hamilton. These showers tracking from southwest to northeast, so we're seeing rain expand through Double Springs and Addison and out over Smith Lake close to Arley, and then coming up into Cullman County too. But we're still several hours away from the next round of rain that will impact Birmingham or Tuscaloosa. In fact, we've started to see some sunshine break through the overcast, and that's why it's warmed up so much west of Birmingham, down through parts of Greene County and Hale County. Out west, big thunderstorms here now southwest of Dallas. Some of these are going to be very intense with very large hail, and they will be moving southeast. So here's a snapshot at 11 p.m. We have showers building around here. None of these would likely be severe, though, when you look at the strength of the storms from an updraft, or how quickly the storms are moving up into the atmosphere. All of the upward motion is really out here over Texas. There's just a little bit around here to get some scattered showers going. So watch what happens through the night. Showers expand here. There's very limited, if any, fuel for severe weather here across central Alabama. All that is down toward the southwest. So as those storms that are southwest of Jackson start to move in, this is the zone where we expect thunderstorms to ramp up. But because they are close to the Gulf Coast, they may really inhibit what's going on here across the central part of the state. So coastal storms limiting what we get here in central Alabama through tomorrow afternoon. But as that complex moves to the east, we look for a new area of thunderstorms to develop over eastern Mississippi. Some of these could have some large hail as well as gusty winds through tomorrow evening. And by that time, over Mississippi and West Alabama in particular, there will be plenty of fuel for those thunderstorms to erupt. But what happens as they move farther east through 11 p.m. and midnight, approaching Birmingham, Cullman, Jasper, down to Demopolis? They start to lose some strength, but there's still a chance that one or two of them could be on the strong side. So here's how it works. Tomorrow from about noon to 10 p.m. we'll watch for some scattered thunderstorms. Some could have some heavy rain, gusty winds, and some hail. I think the real risk of severe weather, the bigger risk, is down toward the Gulf Coast, but we'll keep an eye on it around here throughout the day. The high only around 71 on Thursday. The coverage of these isolated storms, very hit or miss when it comes to who gets severe weather and who's just dealing with some scattered storms. Friday is a little drier, the high at 75. More showers and storms late Saturday through early Sunday before drying out next week. Adrian?
Hey, Jason, yeah, still starting.